This is Sebastian, Solution Architect at Swarm64, and you're seeing my screen. On the left-hand side, I opened HTOP4U on a server we are connected to, and it shows you the current activity of the Postgres status on that server. And as you can see, it's more or less idle. And on the right-hand side, we have Metabase, which is connected to the very same Postgres to a database we call ETLSIM. And right below this, I have opened two timers for you. And now in the following, I'm going to click on the button, which is labeled a look at your application request data table. And when I'm going to click this, it will fire a sequence of queries to fill in the dashboard that is going to appear next. Let's give it a try. Okay, that kicked it off. Timer started. Now we're waiting. And you see how this starts to load here. You can see the spinners going on and fetching the data. There's one chart already. We see the queries on the left-hand side, but it also shows at the same time still waiting. And I think we're going to fast forward this a bit. There we are, it's done. It took us 6 minutes and 22 seconds. And if you monitored the HTOP on the left-hand side closely, then you saw that we didn't have that much parallelism, which is basically caused by JDBC here opening a cursor on the database. Now, the good news is we got you covered. In Swarm64 5.3, we have a nice little new feature, which we call the output buffer. And I'm going to enable this right now. Let's reload the config. So that's that. And next we are going to run the very same workflow again, just with the output buffer enabled this time. And just think of the output buffer as kind of a proxy which runs the query for you without any parallel restrictions. I'm going to select the brokerage schema here and then click the button followed by the start button of the timer below. Now, as you see, there's quite some parallelism going on here, meaning it can load the data much faster. It also utilizes the disks much more because you can just drive much more performance onto the whole system, eventually giving you the data faster. Now, as you see, this went much quicker already, and we have 2 charts to go. Come on, you can do it, Postgres. There we are, 1 minute, 9 seconds. If you want to try the Swarm64 output buffer yourself, you can get a free dev license or start a free trial of PG Nitrous 6.1 on AWS. Thank you for watching.